Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Wednesday, January 15th, 2025. I hope you're having a great day. I thought that I would shoot a quick video while I'm on my way over to the soap shop this morning and talk to you about some easy income ideas that you can start today. I've mentioned some of these in the past, in past videos that I've done, but these are simple ways that you can start earning some money. And if you stay to the end of the video, I'm going to tell you the simplest way that I found in all of the 18 years that I've been involved with doing this. So if you've never watched any of my videos before, my name's Russ. I've been working for myself full-time since 2018. I've been involved in the work from home space for the last 18 years. And you can check out my videos on YouTube and follow me on Facebook. I show a lot of payment proof videos and things that I'm doing that work. I like to share value in my videos and help people make money. That's what I'm truly passionate about it. So, you know, easy income ideas work because they have low startup costs, okay? They're flexible with your time, most of them are, and they're very beginner friendly. And that's what you want, especially when you're just starting out online, you know, embarking on building your own online business. And even if you've been doing it for a while, some of these ideas, they might resonate with you. But what I'm going to mention in this video is that these are great ideas for building income quickly, all right? Especially the easiest one that I'm going to mention at the end of this video. So we have things like, you know, you can do online, you know, freelancing. You can sell digital products. You can do affiliate marketing. These are all very simple to do, especially affiliate marketing. Like I mentioned in other videos, you can find a product that you like, or if you're into a certain niche, you can go and find an affiliate program based around that niche. And then you can start doing YouTube videos and talking about whatever the product is, whatever the niche is, whatever it is that you're passionate about, and you put that link down below in the description box, and when people click on that and buy from you, you're going to earn a commission. All right, like Amazon has an affiliate program. All of their products you can sell. Walmart has an affiliate program. I mean, there's literally tens of thousands of affiliate programs online in all different niches that you can find that you can share and make money with online. All right, you can share your links on your social media. You can do a blog post about it, whatever you like. I like affiliate marketing. There's a little bit of a learning curve to it, but basically all you have to learn to do is drive traffic to your link, okay? So that's a few ideas. Freelancing is good if you like to write or things of that nature, but again, with something like that, you're going to have deadlines usually where you have to have, you know, your whatever it is you're working on due by a certain time. It's usually more like contract work where you're working for somebody else who pays you to do a service. Nothing wrong with that. You can do pet sitting. You know, people like to. There's a lot of people that make a lot of money with pet sitting, especially where I live. And I'm sure in the bigger metropolitan areas, people are always looking for pet sitters. That's something if you like animals that you can do. You know, you can do tutoring. You can teach English. There's all kinds of different ways. And these are just some of the easiest ways that you can start with low startup costs. You know, you can just do a post on Craigslist or Facebook letting people know that you pet sit. And I think there's even platforms now for pet sitting where they do like background checks and all that to make sure that your pet sitter is a straight up legit person. What else can you do? You can rent items. I mean, people rent out their RVs and their vehicles. You know, of course, you got Uber, DoorDash, things in that realm, which are all super easy to do. I mean, I used to do door dashing. Tina and I both did door dashing. We made quite a bit of money, and it's super easy to do. But the easiest out of all of these, okay, is direct mail marketing, in my opinion. Direct mail marketing. If you can mail out postcards, you can make a fortune. Now, I can't guarantee anybody's going to make any money with the opportunities that I partake in because it's all based on your work ethic. But I can tell you that if you put in the work and show up every day and treat it like a real business, you can get serious results, okay? And I'm talking about mailing postcards out. It doesn't get any easier, all right? It doesn't get any easier. So if you want more information on the opportunities that I'm involved with, go to joinruss.com. All right, joinruss.com. There'll be a link down below this video, and check out the opportunities that I promote. And when you join me, you're going to get a resource page with over 80 different places where you can share these opportunities online. 99% of them are free. You're going to get a letter template, because what I do is I take and mail out letters. Instead of just mailing out individual postcards, I mail out letters that have a brief letter from me telling the reader who I am, has all my contact information on there, and then I have my 2 direct mail opportunities and then my 2 other network marketing opportunities that I put inside the envelope. So people that are getting these are getting 4 different opportunities that they can join if any of them resonate with them. Sometimes people join me in all of them, okay? They'll get a letter and they join me in all the programs that I'm with, and then they start doing exactly what I'm doing and mailing out letters. I get super high conversion rates with it. And it's easy to do because we're mailing these letters out to people who are opportunity seekers, all right? So these are people who requested more information on how to supplement or replace their income from home. And that's why this converts so well, all right? It's not like we're just mailing letters out to every Tom, Dick, and Harry in the phone book. We're mailing out specifically to people who are looking for ways to make money from home. And it doesn't get any easier. I mean, there's a very low startup costs. All right, we have places where you can get discounted stamps, you can buy more leads, you can buy more postcards. You know, check out the opportunities. You get everything you need when you join them, and then I'm going to send you my welcome email with my resource page. You'll get my letter template, and then you're going to get all my contact information. So whenever you need help or have questions, you can reach out to me and I can assist you the best that I can. But these are, you know, so those are some easy ways to earn income. You know, the freelancing ideas, virtual assistants. You can start your own social media marketing agency, pet sitting, tutoring. You know, you can rent items out. People do cashback apps. There's all kinds of different ways, but the easiest, in my opinion, in all the years that I've been doing it, is direct mail and mailing out simple postcards. That it just doesn't get any easier than this. All right, it doesn't get any easier than this. So again, if you have any questions, reach out to me. I'm here to help you out, and you can find more information about these opportunities at joinruss.com. So with that being said, I hope you enjoy the rest of your day. I appreciate you taking the time to watch my videos, and I'll see you in the next one. So until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you. Thanks for watching.